My name is Joel Tiago. I'm the CEO of AISOD Institute, and today we are working with the Future Africa Leaders Foundation and Khomas High School. We are right now making a remarkable work. We are teaching the learners on software development, on how to generate codes with AI, and we are teaching them on app development, website development, and design, which is a great work. And we built a website together in just 18 minutes. Just 18 minutes. And I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to the Future Africa Leaders Foundation. I'm so grateful to Khomas High School. I'm so grateful to AISOD Institute for this privilege and this opportunity to make impact in Namibia, in Africa, and in the whole world. I will see you in the institute. I'll see you later on to learn more and dive more. And if you want to be a part of this, you can also be a part of it and help more young people get impacted and learn more about technology, about AI, and about many issues that they need to learn so that they can generate income and eradicate unemployment in their lives. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. I would like to thank Mr. Mushinga for accepting me here again. Accepting me here again, why? Why am I saying that? It's because I was once a learner like you guys. I was also part of Khomas High School. I did my grade 10, 11, and 12 here. So Mr. Oshiga was my math teacher. I think he's also your math teacher, some of you, or all of you, I don't know. So I'm really grateful to God for keeping him and for keeping us and for this opportunity and this privilege to really do great impact in the world and in Namibia as well. So I'll start by introducing myself and also thanking the teachers like Miss here and Miss there for this great opportunity. Now, my name is Joel Tiago. As I said, I was a learner like you guys here, but now I'm a software developer, but I'm an AI-based developer. So I develop softwares using AI rather than focusing on crude codes, which is what I also do, but I don't prefer to work that way. So I'm also an entrepreneur, and I work with many other entities, companies, and even including the government. And I'm also one of the Future Africa Leaders Awards winner of 2016. So I won on a global stage, and yeah, it was a very bright experience, and I learned a lot about leadership. So I also lead many young people. Let me say, almost 400 and something, nearly to 500 young people are trained and work under my leadership, both in Southern Africa and in Latin America, including Brazil, right? Brazil and some other countries. So what do? I create websites, I create applications, things like WhatsApp, you understand, or Facebook, both mobile and desktop or web. The difference is that mobile apps are applications that work on your phone, and web apps are applications, but they also work on the web, meaning that you can just Google it and you'll find it. So it works like a website, but it's really an application. I will give you an example of Facebook. Facebook is a web app, but it's also a mobile app. So the name given to Facebook is called a hybrid application because it works both on the web and it also works on the phone. You understand? So I built all these things and many other things. So I already worked with many companies, many entities, both small and big. And right now, let me say, I have more than 40 systems, and I manage more than 4 TVs, televisions. You understand? Yeah, let me say web TV, not traditional ones, web TV. So I manage them on my platforms. So these are the things that I want you guys to learn. Why? Because technology has evolved and things became faster and easier, so to say. And many people are actually getting many benefits, but many are not getting any benefits because they don't know, they don't have the knowledge, you understand, of what can be done and how to do it. So that's the reason why I'm here teaching you guys about AI. I have a question for you guys before I continue. How many of you know what is AI? Good. I think I'll call just maybe you. What do you understand about AI?
AI is
It's okay. There's no wrong answer. Just talk.
it's artificial intelligence created by
Okay, it's fine. AI is artificial intelligence, right? Okay, who knows what AI can do for you? Like how can AI help you? Somebody? Good.
Then you recipe you can do that.
Awesome. So you spoke about ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is an application, and that application uses AI. You understand? So AI is a broad topic, but inside AI we have what we call language models. You understand? So ChatGPT uses what we call language model, which is LLM. So it uses that to communicate to a normal human being. So now that you spoke about ChatGPT, what can you do with ChatGPT? Like you, how can you use it? Did you ever use ChatGPT to make money? Okay, what do you use ChatGPT for? Huh? Speak the truth. Don't lie. Just
He used it to ask, he asked people like create a slide.
okay.
GDP to write me essays and manga scripts. That's awesome.
So ChatGPT can help you in many things, including your schoolwork. If you're having some difficulties, it can help you out and give you some tips on how to go about it and many more information. But many people are using, let me say, 1% of ChatGPT, and they are not even 10% of it, or let me say, they are not even 9, so to say. They can't even go beyond 9%. You understand? Why? Because it is a language model. So language model means that it can give you anything that has a pattern. Do you understand? Anything that has a pattern, ChatGPT can give it to you. Meaning that it can also give you codes. Like if you want to build a website, for example, and you do not know the codes that you want or that you need for that website, you can ask ChatGPT to generate it for you. Do you understand? So you can do many things with ChatGPT. But now, what I wanted to say is that if you research, if you go online, you discover that the world has become digital and everything, every company, every person is now getting into digital business. You understand? So if a person or a company doesn't have a website or doesn't have an application, then that company soon enough will be outdated. Soon enough it will be out of business. Why? Because the ones that are online are the ones that are taking the businesses. Do you understand? They're the ones that are taking the clients, because every client right now is on his phone. And then some of them are even on the metaverse, which is another level of stuff. So that means that the need for websites, the need for applications is too high and it's too large. So no matter what you're doing, if you're doing accounting or you're doing agriculture or you're doing science or whatever, you will still have to learn how to build systems, how to work with systems. Do you understand? So that will be an advantage for you, meaning that no matter what you're doing, no matter which course you're doing, if it's maths or whatever it is, even maths, we have analytics. You understand? So analytics, you have to learn how. You have to learn to work with what? With systems. Do you understand? So these things are very important, and if you get into them while you are young, while you are still in this age, you have great advantage. You understand? And plus, there are many of you who are probably going through some challenges. I may not say who, but some of you are already going through some challenges. It may be financial challenges. So things that maybe your parents or your guardians cannot help you solve. But with these skills that you learn, you'll be able to solve them by yourself. Meaning that you can build a website for a client or for your friend and it pays you. You understand? So it just depends on you. It depends on how you're going to learn. It depends on how you're going to dedicate yourself into these skills that I'm going to pass to you guys so that you can learn something that can upgrade your life starting now. You understand? So if you start now, you'll be ahead of many people, including those who are already in university. You get it? I started doing things better than people who were in university while I was still in university, meaning that by then I didn't yet finish, but I was already way in front of them because of these simple skills that I will pass to you guys today. So in demonstration, what I will do, I'll build a website for you guys in less than, let me say, we are going to build together, right? A website for Khomas High School. You understand? For your school. In less than, let me say, in less than 20 minutes, we are going to be done. So I want you guys to put a countdown. Can someone put a countdown somewhere? Okay. So we can put a countdown and then we'll count down before 20 minutes elapse. We'll be done with the website and you are going to be able to see it in your phone. If you have a phone. Are you guys allowed Okay, so since you're not allowed, you see it in someone else's phone. Yeah, or in a computer, right? So we are going to build it live with you guys, and I'm gonna tell you about the tools that I'm using, and obviously I'll teach you more about this on the lessons that Mr. Mushiga said that you guys are going to have. You understand? So you will learn more about it, but I want to show you how easy it is, because anyone can do it. It's not something that only us can do it. Anyone can do it. You just need to have the right skills. Okay, so are you guys excited? Do you really want to know it? Okay, sir, can we start?
Yes, we can start.
Okay, let's count to three. Three to zero. Okay, so first, we have to go to online, right? So for you to build a website, you need to use a hosting platform where you put your website in. So I use Hostinga. I use Hostinga because it's a platform that has many integrations already available for me. So I use Hostinga, and then inside Hostinga, I'll log in, as you can see. Can you guys give me a minute? I want to record this this session. Let me just record it. So I'm doing authentication right now. I'm logging in inside the hosting platform. Hosting platform is where you keep your codes so that it can run on the web and anyone in the world can have access to it. So I'm currently recording. Let me just put it recording. So okay. Um, okay, right now the recording is on. So I'm already inside Hostinga. So when I'm in Hostinga, I will go to the website. Now, one thing that I want to show you is that I already bought the domain before because I don't want you guys to see my banking details. So I bought it before. You understand? Which is this one. The domain that I bought is Khomas High .online. So if you go at Online right now, it is there, but there is no website there, right? So this is the one. Can you guys see it? Good. So I just want to show you quickly. So High, you can see there is no website, right? So let's go back to our builder. Now that I'm here, I'll go to websites. So all these websites that you are seeing here are the ones that I already built and are online. Now let's go and build our own. So I'll come down here, I'll come to create or migrate a website, right? Good. So I'm in, it's loading. So it's asking me what's the type of website that I want to build. So it's saying, do you want to build an online store where you can sell products and stuffs, right? Or I want a blog where you can just write your ideas and things like that. Or I want a business website or a portfolio website or other types of website. Then I have to choose. So right now, since our category is not here, I will choose other types. So when I choose other type, it's asking me to write the type of business or the type of website. I'll just write what? A school, right? A school website. So it is loading now. Someone was trying to call me, so my internet became a bit slow, but it's fine. School. So we can see school here, right? And then we press continue. So when you press continue, it gives you two options. Do you want to create a new website or you want to migrate your website? So to create a new website means that you will get it from, like you will create it new. But to migrate means that you will get it from another place and you bring it here because you can build it outside the platform and then bring it inside the platform. But in this case, we are creating a new one, right? So we choose the first option. Good. So after you get to this point, it's asking you if you want to build it using WordPress or if you want to build it using Hostinga Builder with AI. You understood? With what? With AI. Good. Who knows WordPress? Okay, you don't know, but it's fine. WordPress is also good, but AI is faster and better. So we'll choose what? AI, right? Okay, now that we chose AI, it's asking us which domain are we going to use. Now, I told you that I already bought the domain, right? So I'll just choose the domain and it will be Khomas High School .online. And then I'll select. So when I select, it's now rendering. You understand? So it's actually building, or let me say, establishing the website on the back end And now it's done. Good. So it's now asking me to start creating or building the website. So I'll press here, create. But listen, if you don't want to create a whole new stuff, you want to use something that already exists, you can go down here where it's written, choose a template. Because there are many templates that are already built. So you just need to see which one you like, you understand? And choose it and edit it. But since we want to build something from scratch, we'll prefer to create it, right? Good. So it's asking you the name of the business or of the website that you are building, you understand? So since I already have some information, not many, but some information about the school, I'll now put the information here. So the name is Khomas High School, right? Then it's asking me again, what's the type of website? It's others because we don't have that one. So here it's asking you about the description. So it's saying, can you describe this business or can you describe this thing that you're trying to build? You understand? So you need to flood it with as much information as you can. You get it? So how many minutes are we having?
It's on your 13.
Wow, we have a long time. So you know, I got this information from the school, right? This one. So what I did, I took this information, I copied it, and then I went to ChatGPT, and I requested for ChatGPT to give me a broader information about the website because I already got the information about the school. So I just went in and say, ChatGPT, can you give me more information? Or generate for me to put on my website that I'm building. So after I wrote this prompt, I placed the information and then ChatGPT generated the whole information for me. So this information that ChatGPT generated is the one that I copied here. You understand? Down here. So this is the one that it gave me. So I'm now gonna copy all this information that ChatGPT gave me. Now listen to me. You should not trust ChatGPT 100%. You should always do your own checks so that you get accurate information and information that is required for the website that you're building, because ChatGPT doesn't know the reality that you are living. You get it? So I came here and I pasted all the information that I got. So when you paste, you come here where it's written what? Create, right? So when you click at create, it's now creating the website for you, meaning that AI is now building it for me. I'm not doing anything, right? But it's building. So after it's done, I can now change it the way I want it. I can change anything I want to change. I can put anything I want to put. I can take anything I want to take. Are we good? Okay, so we are, wow, 100%. We are done. Good. So can you guys see what's in the screen? So actually, we are done because it's already built what we want or what we need. It built the whole website for me. So what I need to do is to just change what I don't want. For example, I can change this color because I don't like it, right? I can change anything I want to change. I can even go to About Us, and it's all there. Who can read? Who can see very well to read for us? Okay. Can we read it louder? 1, 2, go. Okay, probably. Wow. So you guys can see that the information that it's giving you is accurately the information that I gave it or I handed it in, and it already organized it for me. You understand? So what I can do right now is to change it. For example, here I can change it and put the picture of the principal, right? And write the name of the principal here. Here I can put another teacher or anyone in that I want. But all the information that I need are already here. You understand? So, sir, how many minutes?
We have 8.
So right now we are done, right? We finished. So the only thing that we want to do is to now edit it the way we want. So as a designer, you come here. Can you guys see the screen? You come here where it's written full edit mode. So you go there. So when you go there, it's giving you the option to edit it the way you want. It's giving you the option to change it the way you want. So right now we got here. So we are going to change it. I say that the first thing that I want to change is what? Is the color, right? So what I will do, I'll come here in the header. I will change the header. And then I'll put a logo. The logo of Khomas High, right? I'll upload the logo. So instead of uploading just the logo, I'll upload all these pictures that I have about Khomas High School. So I'll upload the logo, and apart from the logo, I'll also change the, let me say, the background of the header, meaning I'll make it without a background. So I'll remove it. I'll come here and I'll go to style. Can you guys see? You can see style here. Yeah. Okay. So I'll make header what? Transparent. Transparent means that all this thing will not be seen. Then I'll come to the background and I'll edit the background, and I'll come here. Instead of changing the color, I'll change it from color to image. So it became white, right? So I'll click here at the image, and then I'll take the image, one of the images that I uploaded. I'll put this one. So I placed an image, and after putting an image, I'll remove this one. Good. So you can see that it shrinks, right? So I can now put it on the size that I want to put it, which is this one. I think this size is good. And then I'll change the color of the write-ups. I'll make it black, right? And then I'll also change this color and make it what? Black. So I'll also change this, the position, right? Then I'll change the logo. And put Khomas High logo. And it's huge, right? So I'll change the size. I'll make it smaller. Can you guys see? Good. And then I'll also change the, let me say, the color of the text, right? I'll make it black. Can you guys see? And then for hovering, meaning that when the mouse goes to it, it's showing white, right? So let me make it red because the colors of Khomas High are red. Which one again? Good. So I'll pick the colors from the logo, right? So I'll come here and pick colors. Then I'll go to the logo and pick the color that I want. Good. So now that we did the colors now button, we can duplicate this button and then maybe put another one for WhatsApp. Because nowadays, many people are more on WhatsApp rather than normal calls, right? So since it's WhatsApp, we need to change the button to which color? To green. WhatsApp is green, right? So we go to green here. Is it difficult? Good. Then we change it to WhatsApp. So these buttons are not active because I didn't put I didn't put any codes in it, right? So what we have to do right now is to put the phone numbers of the people here. So which number are we going to put here? Yep. You're saying? I'll just put my number there. 081 49 47. Sorry, 71482. Good. So for WhatsApp, listen to me. Are you guys listening? This is the part that's very important. For WhatsApp, you just go to ChatGPT and you say, ChatGPT, could you generate for me the codes for me to put my WhatsApp number on my website, right? So it gave me a very large code, but I don't need this large code. I just need this small part. Are you guys seeing it? No. You can see it. Whoosh. Okay. I don't know how to show you, but it's this part. I just need this small code. You understand? Just one line. So I'll get this code, I'll copy it, and come to the builder, edit it, and paste it here. So I will take this your phone number because ChatGPT doesn't know your number, so it's saying your phone number. So I'll put the number of the WhatsApp number of the school, right? But right now I don't have, so I'll just use my number, which is +264 8149 71482. Good. So we are done, right? So now that you're done, let me do a simple preview. Or what I'll do, let me see it. Okay, can you guys see the website?
Yes, sir.
You can see it, right? Let me go down. Let me go down and down and down and down. Good. So now that we saw that it's good, we now need to change the mobile version because this is the web version, meaning someone with a computer will be able to see. But let's go and change the mobile version. So when you go to the mobile, it's looking like this. So first thing that we need to change is the size of the header, right? And make it, of the logo, sorry, and make it smaller. Yeah, you don't need to see it very well now because you see it very well in the phone. You get it? After that, we need to also change the buttons and make it, put it one side by side. Good. And then we need to give some spacing here. Good. For this, we can add or we can decrease some more. Good. Now, you know that all these images, we can actually change them, but because you do not have enough images from the school, we are not going to be able to change it now and until they give it to us. You get it? So I'm just making it responsive for the mobile version. That's one. And then we go to 2. We also make it responsive to mobile version. Good. So we will change this one, this color to white, right? Yes, white, and then we change this one to black. This one to black. And then yeah, we can even change it to purple as you guys were talking about. Is it? No. Even this color is fine. Good. So here we can do the same thing. We just make it nice and then change the color as well to this one. And this one we change it to black. Hmm? Good. So we are finally done. Okay. Now, I'm just repeating the same process over and over again. Even here in the forms, I can just change it to the colors that we want, and we are all good. Good. So we are done. And we can go live, you need to go live and then go live. So when you press go live, it now renders the website directly to the domain of the school. So if I want to check it, I'll just press here and then I'll see the website online. And anyone with a phone or with a computer can now check the website. The website is currently online. So was it difficult? So how long did it take?
This was 25 minutes, but it took more or less around 18 minutes.
So we took 18 minutes to finish, and we took 25 minutes to do the... Actually, not 25, like in total, it was 25 minutes, right? 18 minutes to finish and 25 minutes to do the pimping and stuff like that. So does it look nice? You're saying something? Okay. Now, guys, look. Now that you are done, can you guys test it? Let's test the functionalities. Okay, but let me just show you one thing. Just, are you guys there? one thing I want to show you something. If I press here at call us, it's requesting for the app to call your phone, meaning that if it was using a phone, right, it will automatically connect to your calling application and it will automatically call that number. That's number one. Let me show you number two is WhatsApp. When I click on WhatsApp, it's redirecting me to what? To the WhatsApp API to communicate directly to the WhatsApp. Now, the last one that I wanted to show you is integration of WhatsApp, meaning that you can actually have the WhatsApp button somewhere here so that anyone can communicate directly to the WhatsApp of the school. So you just come somewhere here where it's written integrations and you integrate it with with all the integrations. Okay, good. So you come here to integrations. So can you guys see WhatsApp here? So you connect your WhatsApp, which is I'm connecting the number, right? 26481 471 482. Okay. Are you guys listening? So why am I writing here? I'm writing here because, yes, from Khomas High website, because your number receives a lot of messages so that the person can understand that this message is coming from the website. I'm writing it here so that when he connects, it will automatically come connecting from Khomas High website. You get it? And then you save. So when you save and then you update your website here, you can now come to your website and refresh. So when you refresh your website, you will now see that the WhatsApp button will automatically be integrated. You guys can see here. So meaning that I can communicate to anyone. If it's a business, I can actually connect my WhatsApp business. If I don't want to connect WhatsApp, I can connect Messenger, Facebook Messenger. I can connect any other thing. I can integrate it with APIs. I can even connect it to any app, any application in this world. So it's very, very simple. And a page like this one, that how long did it take me to finish this page? 18 minutes, right? So in 18 minutes, we did a page, but a page like this one or a website like this one, there are people that can pay you between 7,000 rands to 15,000 rands. It depends on the company that you are dealing with. Do you understand? And one more thing you need to know is a bit of design, because what I was doing it according to the knowledge of design. That's why it's looking kind of beautiful. You understand? So I think we are done with this session. Thank you so much for listening.
My name is Joanna Isaler. I am a learner from Khomas High School.
My name is Aludiru Shirunga.
My name is Alejandro Husselman.
My name is Bronson Uriko.
My name is Vinomuni Kamatuka.
My name is Kasisa Faldeli.
My name is Brave Mungome.
This program that we learned today can help Namibian citizens to create websites that they can use for business opportunities or just for news or for information or anything else.
I really enjoyed this lesson because learning how to code has been one of my biggest dreams ever since I picked up a computer.
I was planning on making a program, a software,
and I really didn't know where to start and didn't know anything about programming. But thankfully, Mr. Mr. Joel came with his team to come and explain to us how they work.
It was my first experience that I, of course, liked it very much, and now I can finally learn my dream of becoming a computer engineering.
Today's experience I learned it was very amazing. I actually couldn't actually know how to make my own website, or even a school's website. So it was actually basically amazing of learning the steps and all that.
My experience here was very enjoyable. I learned a lot of information from the teacher, Mr. Joel, and I wish to learn more from him.
My mother forced me to do software development, but it didn't look that interesting to me. But I was showed that it's very good, it's interesting, it can help you make money, become successful in life.
Thank you, Mr. Joel Tiago, for teaching me this experience of how to make your own website. Now I would be able to make my own website just to make differences to people who wants to pursue with artworks and all that.
I would like to thank Mr. Joel for teaching me this, because I would have never known about it.
You can also help young kids to look up to this and become something, because unemployment is also one of the problems in Namibia.
I would like to thank Mr. Joel, for coming here and teaching us those things, because it was really beautiful and it was amazing. It was such a beautiful experience. I loved it and it was so amazing because I learned a lot. And I would love to use the program he showed us and everything, the steps he gave us. They were so easy and simple, and they were so easy to use. And it was just really cool. It was amazing. It was beautiful.